SKIZZ lock screen drawing. So here is the app which you can install as your lock screen, and then just have fun with your friends and draw on your lock screens together. Find your friends, send messages through widget, stay connected on screen, play game together. Let's see if this is actually a legit app and what is that about. So when you just open it up, then there are some ads. Then you just need to select language. And then here it is. So weekly it's $4 per week, or monthly $9 per month. So so that's what it is. Here you have it. So that's the idea. So here it is. So you can just go and see some quick tutorial how you can use it. Yeah, if unfortunately there are some really annoying ads here, so that's just what you can see. Some super annoying ads. And then so how do you connect? So you just you both click on the button draw together in the connect screen, enter scan your friend's code. Then you connect with more than one friend, and to draw on the widget, go to your home screen and tap the plus button and add the widget. And then that's the idea. Can you use it without internet? Nope. So drawing with your friends, so just tap on here. You can draw your Christmas tree, and then unfortunately you still need to upgrade. I'm just curious, can you actually use it for free? Just seems not possible. So here, just if I tap and hold and tap plus, and then just wanna search for this sort of SKIZZ, and then I wanna install the widget. So here's, I'm just installing big widget here, and then I just tap on it. So drawing with a stranger, let's see if at least this works. Nope. So as you can see, this app is not usable. All right, so finally you can try to use it. And then you can just draw it like that, whatever. So you can select different styles here. Some of those are premium, different colors. And you're drawing with stranger. You can connect with other strangers. And that's basically the process. You can also have different background. You can add some emojis, and then basically that's the process. And some other person, as you can see, is just drawing in the bottom right. So then you can just draw it like that. So as you can see, that's the idea. And then if you exit the room, you will not be able to connect with other strangers. Please stay here and wait a bit more. So then that person is also drawing here. So that's kind of the idea. And then you just keep this widget, and then you just tap on it, and then you go back to the widget and wait until other person is drawing there. There are just so many ads in this app, as you can see. So it's just a bit annoying, but there you have it. So as you can see, that's how it works like. And so as you can see, the other person is just drawing, and you keep this widget and the other person is just drawing on that. So that's the idea. Pretty cool. So try it out.